Your pool deck is the first thing you see when you step outside to relax, and the last thing you notice when the day winds down. Don't let weathering, stains, and discoloration take away from your outdoor oasis. At Surface Savers, our proven 3-step process restores and protects your pool deck, bringing back its clean, safe, and beautiful finish. Step 1. Expert pool deck preparation. We start by thoroughly cleaning your pool deck using commercial-grade equipment to remove dirt, sunscreen buildup, algae, and other contaminants. Step 2. Deep cleaning and surface treatment. Our team pressure washes and treats the deck to create the ideal foundation for a long-lasting seal. Step 3. Premium sealing and protective coating. We apply a high-performance sealing system designed to guard your pool deck against stains, fading, moisture intrusion, and harsh outdoor conditions. Enjoy a cleaner, safer, and longer-lasting pool deck with enhanced appearance and protection. Schedule your pool deck treatment today.